In this tutorial, we'll guide you through connecting your AI Comment Moderator plugin to OpenAI, a crucial step to enhance your WordPress site's comment moderation capabilities. Before making this connection, make sure you have followed our previous tutorials and activated the plugin license. While in the WordPress admin, navigate to the Plugins Settings page, look for the OpenAI Integration section, and click on the OpenAI API Keys link. If you're not already logged in to OpenAI, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. You can also use your Google account for quick access. After logging in, click the Create New Secret Key button. Choose who is going to be the owner of the secret key. In this tutorial, we use the option You in the Owned By field. Give your key a descriptive name for easy identification. If this key is for a specific project, select it from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, proceed with the default project setting. Click the Create Secret Key button and solve the CAPTCHA if prompted. The new secret key will then be displayed. Click the Copy button to copy this key. Return to the Plugin Settings page on your WordPress admin and paste the copied key into the OpenAI API Key field. Important: test the connection by clicking the Check OpenAI API Connection button. Remember, the AI Comment Moderator plugin will not make any API calls with untested credentials, so this step is crucial. After successfully testing the connection, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. If you modify any settings related to the OpenAI, such as changing the AI model, always test the connection before saving the modified configuration.